Looking for your dream car? It could be the 2017 Chevrolet Traverse. With less than 35,000 miles on the Chevrolet Traverse, the sleek and stylish midsize SUV that's loaded with creature comforts, smart cargo solutions, advanced safety features, and the capability to handle any adventure. The following are some of this vehicle's highlighted options: aluminum wheels, electronic stability control, trip computer, bucket seats, power windows, four-wheel disc brakes, power steering. Stay calm, traverse on. Take a test drive.